Do not substitute your formal learning with shortcuts. It is just a backup plan. एग्जाम में अगर पेपर 2025 की तरह लेंदी हुए तो आप इन लॉजिकल शॉर्टकट्स को यूज़ कर सकते हैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस को करने के लिए, जो कि आपको लिमिटेड टाइम में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस करने में हेल्प करेगा। यही मैं क्लासेस में भी कहता हूँ। लेट्स गेट टू द क्वेश्चंस। 2025. So it is on surface tension. It says the meniscus due to surface tension. Which of the following options is correct? Y stands for this height. Derivative of y dy by dx. Second derivative of y d2y by dx square. So let's get straight to the logic. What if surface tension becomes 0? So when surface tension becomes 0, then you don't have any meniscus. That is, the entire surface will be flat. No surface tension, no meniscus. So y will be 0 throughout. And if y is 0, dy by dx, which is slope, it is also 0, and its derivative d2y by dx square will also be 0. But if you take this point which is x equals to L, so if you put x as L, this option dy by dx is not 0. So it is not an option, because dy by dx should be 0 when surface tension is 0. So when denominator is 0, that means dy by dx here will be infinite, and we do not need infinity because dy by dx in that case should be 0. For the first option 2, again when you put x as L, so d2y as surface tension tends to 0, this is again infinity, so this is wrong. And in third case again, so surface tension tends to 0, so this second derivative goes to infinity, but we need 0. So now we are left with one option. So put y as 0 and surface tension tends to 0. It is 0 by 0, and take your time to figure out why 0 by 0 is not 0, not infinity. It can be anything. So if at all any of the option is correct, it is second. In this second question, where a vertical circular motion is asked, so all of us know when the speed at the bottommost point is root 5 gl, its speed at topmost point is root gl. Now if I take this speed slight less than root 5 gl, string will slack at topmost point. So then theta will be 90 degree, and lowest speed will be root gl, and highest speed will be root 5 gl. So they have asked the ratio of the speeds, that is where it slacks and the speed with which it started from the bottommost point. So now put theta as 90 degree. So here sin theta as 90 degree, this will give you 1, which is not the ratio, because they have asked for V minimum upon V maximum ratio. So it is never going to be 1. So you put theta as 90 degree, cos 90 is 0. So this ratio again cannot be 0. So now we are left with two options which give identical result for theta. Then I need one more value. So you must have record that when you give it a speed of root 2 gl, then it goes slightly above the horizontal level or to the horizontal level. That means the string will slack at horizontal level, that is theta tends to 0. So put theta tends to 0, say sin 0 is 0, and when it goes to horizontal level, the speed also becomes 0. So the ratio will be 0. So this is correct option. Pause this video, think yourself. Correct answer is 4. Now in this question, which is based on thermal conductivity, and they have asked for ratio of temperature T1 and T2 interface. Now by practicing thermal conductivity, you must have come across the fact that larger is conductivity K, lesser is temperature difference. Remember this fact, larger is K, lesser is temperature difference. Now here I have conductivity 2K, so temperature difference will be say X. Since the conductivity is K, that is half of the first, so temperature difference should be double of it. This is what is called logical shortcut. And again, when the conductivity is 2K, so temperature difference is again x. So we have x plus 2x plus x, that is 4x as temperature difference, and total temperature difference between the two ends 3t minus t is 2t. So x is equal to 2t by 4, that is t by 2 is, so t1 is equal to 3t minus t by 2, that is 5t by 2, and t2 is equal to t plus, because heat is coming in this direction, so t plus t by 2, because x is t by 2. So t plus t by 2 is 3t by 2, and therefore t1 by t2 is 5 by 3. It is 5 by 3. So third option is correct. That's it for now.
Subscribe to this channel to get more insightful videos and stuff for G Main, G Advanced and NEET revision.